Hey guys, what's up? I am currently on the floor right now getting ready to take on a huge project, and that is actually repainting my entire plant room. Now, this plant room was something that I wanted to do quite some time, and it's just I never had the time, and I feel like why not do it now? Because this is a place that I do like to come up quite often to look at my plants, and I just, you know, I also film in here, so let's just make it nice and cozy. So I picked up some paint and some spackle, and we're gonna get to work. So let's get into this video. So before I even get started and show you what it is I'm doing, this home is actually like 100 years old, so it definitely needs some TLC. So when they built this house and kind of like, I guess, painted, they left these cracks in here. So I do want to fill this up, and what I went ahead and done was picked up some spackling. So I'm going to attempt to spackle, and I hope it works out in my favor, because if it doesn't, I'm going to be really sad. And the paint that I chose is this over here. If you followed me on my Instagram, you would have seen that I did a swatch on this wall. It's by BEHR from Home Depot, and it's the shade Contemplation. So I'll just I don't know, I'll take a picture, link it down below for you, I don't know, but I'm gonna get started and try to spackle and show you my attempt. I'll be right back. All right, so this is what I'm talking about. So these boards were put in place, but you can definitely see the nails up here, and yeah, so I just want this wall to be a lot smoother. Like, I don't want to just paint it over and be done with it. I do want to give it some more TLC. And over here you can see, like right there, like you can see the nails that they put in here that, you know, doesn't make the wall flush. So I am gonna go ahead and spackle. Now for these parts, I did pick this up to put over it and kind of like reinforce it, but I'm actually gonna see how it looks with the spackle first, and then just go from there. Now the spackle that I got is this one right here, and I like the idea that it's pink and it dries white, so I know that it's ready for paint. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start spackling. All right, so I finished spackling the entire room. There's definitely a learning curve, and what I realized is that if you're really good at it and you can get it smooth the first time, then there's less sanding involved. So I'm currently waiting for this wall to kind of dry, and then I'm gonna start sanding. I think what I'll do is just start smoothing out the edges, and then I'm gonna just wipe down the walls one more time, and then I'm gonna start painting. All right. It's like 3:30 right now, and I've been working on this since 10. Anyways, if you see behind me, I already got tape up, and what actually took a little bit of time was waiting for the spackle to dry, and then I had to sand it down and yeah, make sure everything is smooth. So I'm actually gonna start painting now. I am super pooped and very tired, but I really want to get this done before I head out to my trip. So the goal right now is to actually paint these walls, and then tomorrow I'm going to wallpaper. So stay tuned which design I end up choosing, and yeah, wish me luck. Hey guys, just wanted to jump in real quick. Today I think is day, I don't even know, I've lost count, but it took some time because I had to fill in the walls with spackle, sand everything down, and then I could paint, and that takes some time. And the wallpaper took forever, but check it out. I'm pretty happy with this wallpaper. And today, still working on it. I'm actually going to be painting the trims, so I'm just gonna start painting the trims, and then the last little bit of the stuff for this room will be arriving in the next couple of days, so I'm excited about that. And once I have all of my little knickknacks, I guess, this room will be finally complete. So yeah, I'm just gonna I'm gonna just finish painting and taping this wall now.
It's not the same, I never get enough from you. Call me up, complain, you never feel enough. I just said.
Hey guys, just wanted to jump in real quick, and the lighting's all funky because it's getting pretty late in the day, and I have no idea which day this is. I had just finished work and I just want to get this room done. So chair rails are in, and I'm just going around filling the nail holes with this putty pencil. This thing is life-changing, and yeah, so just so close. I'm so close to finishing, and I can't wait to show you guys the room. Oh, you guys, I'm so happy to say that I'm finally done with this room. It's been a little bit of a headache, but it's done now, and I can't wait to reveal this to you guys. So let me turn this camera around so I can show you. So this is how the room looks. It looks kind of empty right now just because I had to remove a lot of furniture, but my exo tank is over here. I also have downsized quite a bit on my my plants, so anything that doesn't fit into here or here needs to go. Those plants I am currently propagating, so they'll stay where they are. And over here is another shelf, but like I said, I'm currently propagating some of them, and I'm working on content, so they will stay there as well. And my gloriosum, super happy it's giving me this big, beautiful, perfect leaf. And that corner is probably my most favorite corner because it's just the way the light comes in. It's not doing it right now, but I promise you when it does come in, it just feels super cozy. And this corner kind of gives me like, I don't know, it kind of gives me like a podcast vibe. I feel like I could do a podcast over here. Just, you know, sit back, have some tea or wine, whichever, talk to you guys about whatever topic you want. I have no idea how Joe Rogan does it, but props to him because it's a whole lot of work. But you know what was also a lot of work? This wallpaper. This wallpaper, let me show you, just drove me nuts because one, it doesn't line up perfectly. Like right here, it doesn't line up. Over here, actually none of them line up. I did my best to get it to line up as I could, but it just doesn't always line up. And another thing is, so some of this wallpaper was purchased off of Amazon. I'll link it for you down below, but please be warned, it doesn't line up. And some of them were bought at Home Depot. Now, here's the thing. I didn't know that when you are purchasing, or no, not purchasing, when you are wallpapering, you shouldn't pre-cut. Now, if you have like a solid color or if there's stripes, go ahead and pre-cut. I think you'll be okay, but not patterns. Patterns, do not pre-cut. I learned that the hard way. I basically had to trash, I think, 6 rolls because I didn't know that I shouldn't have pre-cut. So yeah, that was a real challenge. The wallpaper was a challenge, but you know what? The trim wasn't. I'm really happy for the trim. This made me really, really happy, to be honest with you. I feel like it just ties the whole room together and just completes the look. But yeah, I'm really proud of myself for completing this room. I did try to complete this room before I flew out for my vacation, but obviously didn't work because of the wallpaper. And then when I came back, there was just a lot going on, so I ended up having to just take care of myself. And now that the room is complete, I feel rejuvenated. Sounds pretty cliche, but I do feel rejuvenated, and I feel much better about myself and my mental health. And I think it's because of this room, truly. Not because of how cute it looks, but because how clean it looks. Like, even sitting here, I can fully see my floors. I can see how many plants I have. Like, I think 6 months ago, this room was pretty much in shambles because I had imports, I had my potting mats, it was crazy. But now it's just looking really cozy and tidy. I feel like I can add like more furniture in here, but we'll see, because I don't want to take away from like my plant room / office, so I don't want to make it, I don't know, I don't want to make it into something that it's not. But I'm pretty excited to show you guys what I have for content. I don't know when this video is going up because this room did take longer than I had anticipated. So I may post a different video before this one, but at least I'm creating content for you guys. But there's lots of updates in terms of plants, and there's some updates in my life that I'm not quite ready to share yet, but when I'm ready, I will share. But in any case, I hope you guys like this room as much as I do. Yeah, leave a comment down below if you guys have any questions as to what I did, what you guys found hard or difficult when you were redoing your entire room. Currently right now, I feel like I'm a professional wallpaper person, painter. I'm really good at spackling now, or using joint compound. So leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and thank you so much for supporting me. I just appreciate you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.